Well, before we had Network Alliance, the problems we used to face were basically we had our own IT employee in-house. An individual would control the entire company, believe it or not, i.e. when there's a software update and he needs to update it, instead of waiting till everybody goes home, he would tell us that everybody needs to be off the computers from 12 to 2 o'clock today and deal with it. Well, we had 20-some employees at the time, so 2 hours times 20 employees was 40 hours of downtime because the IT employee that we had didn't want to be inconvenienced. But the reason why we picked Network Alliance, to believe it or not, is it was a no-brainer. Accountants such as us are analytical. We ran the numbers on everything from downtime to labor cost to IT to infrastructure to all of the above. And when you crunch all the numbers, you get, for a minimum equal price, a service that can only be provided if you're a Fortune 500 company. So the value was tremendous for us. The ability for us to scale and grow really grew, because when we open up a new office, historically we used to have to buy new servers, and it was a whole IT exercise. Now we can just do it basically with just one phone call, and we can add people. The reason why we chose Network Alliance was because they had a great model for us when it comes to them understanding what a CPA firm does, how they work, how they function, and their service model, specifically their technical support. When you pick up the phone and call Network Alliance, you get a person on the line for less than a minute, literally, and within 60 seconds. And they usually, if not all the time, solve the problem the first time out. Network Alliance really did change a lot of ways in how we do business. The first thing that it did is it allows me to travel and still be connected with my staff, to be connected with my clientele. It allows us, when we open up a new office like we've done in the past 9 years since we've been their clients, is to basically just pick up the phone and add another seat and we're ready to go. And at the same time, when we're, right now we have an employee we just hired in Las Vegas. Getting her on the system took 2 seconds. The advice that I'd give to any business leader that's considering using Network Alliance would really be to go through and, most importantly, understand that there isn't just a cost benefit that you'd get that is tied to hardware and software. The ability to have 99.99% uptime on your network, and what you probably have right now when it comes to downtime, if you compute the opportunity costs, you'll be able to see that Network Alliance has a big benefit. But then on top of that, the antivirus protection, the firewalls, the ability to make sure that your data is 100% secure is a value that goes far above and beyond what a firm like us could afford, and pretty much what they would be able to afford unless they're a Fortune 100 company.